विघ्नद्वान्त निवारणैकतरणैर्विघ्नाट विहव्यवाड् विघ्नव्यालकुलाभिमान गरुडो विघ्नेभ पञ्चाननः विघ्नो तुङ्गगिरिप्रभेदन पविर्विघ्नाम्बुधैर्वाडवो विघ्ना गौदगन प्रचण्ड पवनो विघ्नेश्वर पातु नः विघ्नेश्वर पातु नः विघ्नेश्वर पातु नः. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Ganeshaya Namah. Saraswati Namaha. This is a Panchang Shravanam for United States of America for Plavanama Samvatsara year 1943 and for Vikramanama Samvatsara for Vikrami year 2078. This Panchanga Shravanam is prepared by me. My name is Pandit Mahesh Shastri. I am a Panchang Siddhanti and I am also expert in Panchang Ganita. I live in Seattle, Washington, United States. My websites are mypanchang.com, seattlepandit.com. Please feel free to visit them. Prediction for United States. There are two beliefs for USS sign. One believes Mithuna, whereas others like Dr. Ken Rao believes it's Simha. Per Mithuna, Saturn transiting 8th house, per Simha Lagna, Saturn transiting 6th house. Death among elderly people as well as important personalities. Agitation in labor and working class, state loans and increased epidemic. One of them we are already facing. It will continue. We also predicted last year about this increased epidemic. Jupiter transiting in Kumbha Rashi from April 5th till September 13, 2022 will bring some good news in international relationship. Per Simha Lagna, current Dasha is Rahu and it will end in October 2036. Rahu Dasha will start. Rahu Dasha, Rahu is placed in 12th house, Simha Lagna chart. Rahu in the 12th house can bring chaos, war, epidemics, typhoons, more death. Foreign spices and terrorists will flourish. This clearly means tug of war between the two major political parties, no matter who will be in power. The country needs to do more to stop spices and terrorists, make health care more affordable. US's foreign intervention will increase due to Rahu's placement in the 12th house. There will be dissension in cabinets, portfolios will be reshuffled, war-like situation, peace of the country will be disturbed. The existing epidemic can come in different form. People will be divided and can have more agitations in the country. Crime will increase. There will be some mass tragedy in the country. Accidents, illness and death in publishing fields or writers. Some prominent writers could die. Breaking of online communication possible for some time. Development in field of communications will be at lower pace, like 5G or stuff like that. Period to watch mainly is December 2021 till February 2022. President of the country needs to be careful about his health from July 21st till September 6th. Agricultural land and weather will progress. These industries will prosper. There will be a disastrous earthquake between July 21st till September 6th. There will be difficulties to government handling local issues. There may be explosions and mining disasters in the country. There will be heavy expenditure and death of noted artists. Brings trouble for women and children mainly due to immoral crimes. There will be a big dispute over education matters, syllabus change. Artists need to be very careful about the lawsuits. School needs to be vigilant about crimes. For businesses, stocks related to engineering will do good. Careful about software, insurance and industry related investment. Mining companies, heavy metals industries will do good. Printing, communication industries may suffer. Challenges for international position of country. Antisocial elements will trouble tourism, business establishment. We have already seen the fifth item, which I told, challenges for international position of the country. We just recently saw there was some conference between China and United States where we had a hot spat with China. So challenges for international position of the country will continue this year. Viral and sexual disease will increase due to air. Period to watch out is October 22nd till December. USA will involve in territorial disputes or will be pulled into such disputes. Women need to be very careful about their health and about everything, not just pandemic. Natural calamity can happen. May descend among labor and working class, debts will increase, pandemic will increase in one form or another. Armed forces may have a disagreement with government on certain issues between from July 22nd to September 6th, and another period is from February 22nd till April 2022. USA will have an aggressive intent to solve issues with some countries. This can bring some grave danger in international affairs. Disagreement with other powers and chances of war. The danger comes from country in the northeast region of the world. Diplomatic community will be under influence of Saturn and will take slow decision harming progress. USA debt will increase. During the year end, the trouble can come from countries in the northern region too. Marriage will increase, notable alliances will take place, USA will enter into new agreements, peace treaties mainly in the southeast region of the world. Stock markets, communications, software, telecommunication will suffer from September 6th to October 22nd. There are possibilities of explosions in different parts of the country, chances of war, troops movements will be intensified. In case of war, Jupiter will help leaders to take sane decisions. Notable people in iron and steel industries and those who connected to the fire industry will have an accident. Death of people in religious and banking industries and people who are in legal fraternity. Natural resources will help nation in treasury, wealth, etc. There may be accidents in communication infrastructure or some big research success is possible in that area even after we have accidents in communication. Legislation related to death duties will be revived. People in writing or creation field needs to be very careful about their health, including people in law, sales, marketing, and software industries. Gold price will increase. Tourism opportunities can increase if innovative approaches are used. There may be more naval exercises in the East region. Business will suffer to some extent. More taxes can be levied. Judiciary will be under pressure. Changes in the judiciary possible. Appointment of the new judges. Appointment of a women judge is more possibility. Judiciary may earn some bad reputation due to pressure. There may be changes in immigration policies, trade and tourism. So those who are waiting for green card or H-1B, they can get some good news. Airlines and scientific institutions will benefit. More legislations to favor women. The 10th Lord is in the 8th house in Jagat Lagna and in Varsh Lagna in the 4th house. So till October 4th, it will appear that opposition will have upper hand. In the lunation chart of October, the 10th house energy is being deposited in the 8th house and 8th house energy is being deposited in the 9th house and the 9th house energy is deposited in the 10th house. The circle of energy will help current president after October. Some states will see water taxes maybe increase, big debate on such issues and discussions before this change are brought into effect. At times it will appear that Department of Foreign Affairs isn't that effective. Pharmaceutical companies will do well. Government will have to take tough decision till middle of April and then more challenges from December 2021 till February 2022. Government will gain in its rating. Trouble in Congress, Senate to pass legislation. There will be some drama in Senate. Illness and death of the members of Congress and Senate possible from April 2021 till June 2021. Beneficial changes for armed forces, eclipse of May 26, 2021, falling in the second and the eighth house, which is not good for the financial condition of the nation, as well as death of the prominent leader possible. Friction between the ruling and opposition will increase. After June 10th solar eclipse, which is falling in the second and eighth house, warlike situation possible. New forms of existing epidemics will spread. Hospitals will be modernized. November 19th, eclipse falling on the 4th and 10th houses of tough time for government, friction with opposition, and will face difficult time. December 4 solar eclipse is again falling on the 4th and 10th axis. This means period from November 2021, December, January, February 2022 will be more challenging for the United States.
आपका इस YouTube चैनल पे आने के लिए धन्यवाद। मेरा नाम पंडित महेश शास्त्री है और मैं mypanchang.com वेबसाइट के लिए प्रधान पंचांगकर्ता हूं और संचालक भी हूं। आपका इस YouTube चैनल पे आने के लिए धन्यवाद। आप कृपा करके mypanchang.com वेबसाइट को नियमित रूप से विजिट करें और हमारे इस YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।